YouTube. I was on my way to wash my face off. Welcome to TC10. My name is Dion. This is what else we do on this channel. This video, I just did this look, and I'm like, my lips are feeling so dry. I put on the MAC Prep and Prime. That's that. And over top of that, I put on the NYX, what is this all on my fingers? The NYX Lingerie XXL Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this one is in Deep Mesh. It took me like over 5 minutes to do this look. I'll link that video below. But my question is, if you've tried this product, what are your thoughts about it? What are your experience about it? I thought maybe the Prep and Prime was making it dry, because this is moisturizing but mattifying at the same time. But look at this. This has only been on, I put it on, and then I was going to wash my face. And I'm like, my lips are feeling really dry. And I said, you know what? Let me just come back on and ask what you guys think about this product. Look at this. My lips are so friggin' dry. That look like something in a horror movie. What the hell? So let me know what you guys think of this product. And that's it for this video. Thank you for being here, and you will see me in the next one.